Ever tried gaming on a tiny screen while traveling? Or watching movies in public, worried about prying eyes? Struggling with glare, distractions, and cramped displays? I used to squint at my phone on crowded buses. Privacy? Forget it. Everyone could see my screen. And those bulky monitors? Not exactly portable. Then I discovered Lenovo Legion Glasses Gen 2. These aren't ordinary glasses, they're a wearable monitor. Micro-OLED display means vibrant, high-contrast visuals. Full HD resolution brings games and movies to life. 120 Hz refresh rate keeps everything smooth and lag-free. Plug-and-play setup. Just connect via USB-C. No extra software, no hassle. Instant connection. Works with Legion Go, laptops, Steam Deck, and more. Compatible with most USB-C DP video output devices. Your content stays private. Only you can see the screen. Perfect for gaming or streaming in public spaces. No more worrying about people peeking at your screen. Lightweight design, just 65G so you barely feel them. Adjustable nose pads for maximum comfort. Prescription lens frame included for custom fit. Comes with a carry case, easy to pack and go. Built-in high-fidelity speakers deliver immersive sound. Crystal clear audio for gaming, movies, and calls. Let's see how they work in real life. I'm on a plane, plugging the glasses into my laptop. Instantly, my movie fills the virtual display. Colors are vivid, details are razor sharp. No light leakage. Passengers next to me see nothing. I can relax, watch in total privacy. Now let's try gaming on the Legion Go. Just plug in. The game world expands before my eyes. 120 Hz refresh rate means buttery smooth action. No lag, no screen tearing, just pure immersion. Even during long sessions, comfort stays top-notch. Adjust the nose pads for a perfect fit. Prescription lens frame supports my vision needs. Switching to a crowded cafe for a video call. Plug Legion glasses into my laptop. My screen is private, my audio is crisp. No one can see my work or chat. The glasses are sleek, people barely notice them. Flicker-free viewing keeps my eyes comfortable. Low blue light reduces eye strain during long use. Wide 98% DCI P3 color gamut for lifelike visuals. Edge-to-edge sharpness, no blurry corners. Magnetic light shield for extra privacy protection. DRM content compatibility. Watch HD movies securely. Switch between 2D and 3D modes with ease. Stereo audio and mic built in for calls and gaming. Foldable design makes them super portable. Aviator style adds a touch of flair. Polarized lenses protect your eyes outdoors. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, Legion Glasses Gen 2 adapt to your lifestyle. No more screen sharing with strangers. No more squinting at tiny displays. No more carrying bulky monitors around. Just plug in and enjoy a massive virtual screen. Perfect for gamers, movie lovers, and frequent travelers. Take your entertainment anywhere. Bus, plane, cafe. Enjoy immersive visuals and private viewing anytime. Setup is effortless. Connect and start watching. Long battery life keeps you powered through marathons. Upgrade your gaming and movie experience instantly. Transform any device into a personal theater. Lenovo Legion Glasses Gen 2, your portable private monitor. Ready to level up your entertainment? Check out Legion Glasses Gen 2 today. Experience the future of immersive viewing anywhere you go. Don't miss out. Grab yours and see the difference. Lenovo Legion Glasses Gen 2, see more, share less. Game, stream, and work in total privacy and comfort. Your entertainment, your way, wherever you are. Join the Legion. Experience the revolution. Click now to learn more and get yours. Lenovo Legion Glasses Gen 2. Portable, powerful, personal. Make every moment immersive. See you inside.